sir! I'm very excited to show you this house and lot here in Quezon City. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Fairmont, Quezon City. Along Regalado Avenue lang tayo. So kung familiar kayo sa lugar, malapit lang tayo dito sa mga malls sa SM Fairview, Robinsons, and Ayala Malls. So along Regalado Avenue, marami rin tayo dyang colleges, schools, which we will discuss later. And yes, tama din ang narinig ninyo. House and lot sa Quezon City, no? So, sa mga naghahanap sa inyo dyan ng house and lot here in Quezon City, baka ito na yung para sa inyo. So, this is our unit. 100 square meter to na lot area and 129 square meter naman na floor area. So, kung naghahanap naman kayo ng house and lot in Quezon City na pre-selling, with this unit, meron pa tayong 3 units na available for pre-selling naman yan. So without further ado, let's check this house. So sa harap pa lang ng bahay natin, meron na tayong 2 meter na frontage. So hindi tayo nakadikit sa kalsada. Then next, meron tayong gate, folding gate, no? And may abang na rin for your doorbell. So dito naman, pagpasok natin, actually two-way, yes, meron kayong maliit na gate and for your vehicle. Pagpasok, meron tayo ditong faucet and yung water line and yung drainage kung sakali. So maganda yan para kapag ka nagpa-car wash kayo, very easy access na lang. O connect nyo na lang dito halimbawa yung pressure washer ninyo, or kung maglalaba kayo, meron na rin ditong nakabang. Dito naman yung ating sockets. Yan, kung pressure washer natin, di ba? And meron tayong covered area. So dito sa covered area, maganda to kasi when it rains, hindi didiretso sa loob ng bahay natin yung ulan. Halimbawa, malakas yung buhos ng ulan. Kung nakadikit dito yung bahay natin, di ba? Papasok agad siya sa singit-singit na itong sliding window or dito sa may ibaba ng door. So maganda meron tayong covered area dyan. And kung mapapansin ninyo, napakahaba ng car garage natin. This is actually a 2-car garage, and kung may 2-car man kayo or 2 vehicle, kasya pa isang motor. So kung bubuksan natin yung folding gate natin, napakahaba pa niya actually. So perfect yan for parties and etc. So dito naman tayo sa loob. Tara, pasok tayo. So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-toilet and bath house and lot, and complete finish na rin. So makikita nyo, tiles na lahat, painted ng walls, may decoration ng ating ceiling, ang ating high ceiling, and meron tayo na itong malaking sliding windows. Actually, lahat ng bintana ninyo dito is sliding windows, no? So meron tayong malaking 3-frame na sliding windows, which is very convenient, lalo na kung mainit, pwede nyo buksan lahat. Or kung gusto nyo naman ng slight breeze lang, pwede naman isa lang. So, very convenient talaga, no? So, dito naman tayo sa ating dining area. Dito kasyang 4 to 6 seater na dining table. And ready na rin yung sockets and switches, as you can see. So, dito naman, andito yung ating first toilet and bath sa ating first floor. Complete fixtures na rin to. So, mayroon ka na neto, itong toilet, and may shower to. Actually na included. May shower yan na included. And meron ka na itong small detail na to. Very convenient din yan. Hindi na mag-splatter dun yung tubig. So next is yung ating kitchen. Included na to sa turnover. And meron na rin cabinet sa baba. So this side will be your for fridge kung sakali, and your breakers. So very well placed yung breakers natin. There's an explanation for that. And meron kayong window dito for ventilation kung sakaling magluto man kayo ng may amoy, andito lang yung ventilation natin sa gilid. Dito naman, meron tayong sliding door which leads to your service area. Napakalawak na service area. So let's check. Ayun, included na tong
screen door.
So, kung gusto niyo ng air ventilation, pwede niyo buksan yung pinaka-sliding window, but keep this closed para hindi pumasok yung insects dahon, ganyan, etc. So, tara, dito tayo. Napakalawak na itong service area na to. So, sa mga plantita dyan, pwede nyo to gawing mini garden. So, let me give you an idea. Yung stocks na garden, alam nyo, mag-stock kayo ng garden, or ng plant, sorry. Very cut. So, napakalawak pa. Aside from the garden, napakarami nyo pang pwedeng gawin dito. Extensions, pwede din. Kung gusto nyo mag-extend another bedroom. So, let's discuss yung mga nandito din. Meron tayo ditong faucet. Kung this will be your laundry area, pwede. May faucet na and drainage. Same over here, meron na ring drainage. Yan. So, we're back here sa loob ng bahay. We're on our way to the second floor sa ating 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath pa sa taas. But before we go into that, I just want to share a minor detail dito na for me and for others is a very big deal. So the developers used wood actually for the stairs instead of tiles. Kasi minsan kapag tiles, 'di ba, madulas. But for this one, wood ang ginamit, so very grippy siya and maganda tingnan kapag wood din kasi. So here meron ding metal handrails for your safety na rin. So with that, let's check upstairs. Okay, we're here na sa second floor and unang mapapansin natin is brown yung tiles. So sa baba kasi white, more welcoming, 'di ba? Dito kasi sa brown, I feel like kapag brown yung tiles, much more relaxed. Lalo na kapag nasisikatan ng araw. So, they also try to match the brown wood. No? So, very calming. So, dito tayo sa ating first bedroom. This is just a regular bedroom with high ceiling. May ready sockets and switches na rin yan. And sliding windows with this screen door. So, kung gusto mo rin ng hangin, pero ayaw mo pumasok yung mga insecto, this is perfect talaga. Small detail, very big deal. So, next, by the way, napakagandang wood door. So, dito naman, sa ating second bedroom, which is slightly bigger because of this area. Yan. So, this could be your cabinet, your tiny desk. Same with this other bedroom, high ceiling, and sliding windows. So, lahat talaga dito sliding windows. And, dito yung ating second toilet and bath, which is same lang din nung nasa baba. Now, we're on to the master's bedroom, which is one of my favorite parts of this house. So, pasok tayo. So, wooden door, napaka-sturdy, napakaganda as you can see, and napakalawak with this sliding windows ulit, and this, grabe yung liwanag. Actually makulimlim ngayon, pero napakaliwanag pa rin dito sa bedroom na to. So high ceiling din, and sige, later na yan, pero meron tayo ditong sariling toilet and bath. Of course, ating master's bedroom. Same fixtures ng other toilet and bath. Yan. And, meron kayong walk-in closet. This could be a walk-in closet or office, depende sa inyong pangangailangan. Very convenient talaga. No? And, with this one, meron tayong veranda, balcony, coffee nook, whatever you wanna call it. Meron tayo na ito. So, very peaceful ang view. So, that's it. I hope you like the house tour. Ang daming features na itong bahay na to. Small features na very helpful sa ating everyday lives. And now, let's talk about the location. So, the location of the house itself is walking distance lang sa guardhouse, few meters away. And paglabas mo ng subdivision, pwede ka naman kasakay puntang North Caloocan and San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Few meters away ka lang din sa Big 3, which is yung SM Fairview, Robinsons, and Fairview Terraces. Also, kung gusto mo mag-grocery, meron ding Landers, few meters away lang din. And, syempre, very accessible na kasi andito lang tayo sa bagong MRT7. So, dito lang din yung station ng MRT7. Diba? Very prime location. So, sa kabilang side naman, dito naman yung daan papuntang Commonwealth, which leads you to Cubao, SM North, BGC, MOA, etc. So, very accessible tong house and lot na to. You're not paying for the house only. Binabayaran mo rin yung accessibility na ino-offer nitong location. Now, if you're interested and you want to book a site tripping, you can comment down below or message me sa aking Facebook page, Agent Kenneth, link in the description. And if you want to see more house tour, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Pow!